In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a backward-compatible .ppt 97 to 2003 safely in PowerPoint. If you need to share a presentation with someone using an older version of PowerPoint, saving to the .ppt format is the safest bet, but doing it carelessly can break layouts, animations, or media. Here's how to do it the right way. Start by checking compatibility before you change anything. In PowerPoint, go to File, then Info, select Check for Issues, and choose Check Compatibility. This scan doesn't alter your file. It simply lists items that may not work in the 97 to 2003 format. Pay close attention to things like smart art, modern transitions, or the morph effect, 3D models, and embedded audio or video, because these are common trouble areas. Next, decide what to keep and what to replace, so your slides still communicate clearly. For smart art, a reliable workaround is to convert it to shapes. You can usually right-click the smart art and choose Convert to Shapes, which preserves the look while making it compatible. For 3D models, replace them with static images. Take a snapshot or copy and paste the model as a picture so it looks the same even in older PowerPoint. With animations and transitions, simplify them. Swap out complex effects for basics like fade, wipe, or appear. These translate much better to the older format. Be mindful of embedded media as well. Older versions may not play certain files reliably, so consider using a static image with a brief note, or be prepared to test and adjust if playback is essential. Once you've made those adjustments, save the file as a legacy presentation. Go to File, choose Save As, click Browse, and in the Save As type dropdown, select PowerPoint 97 2003 Presentation, .ppt. Give it a new file name so you don't overwrite your original .pptx, and choose a location you'll remember. When you save, PowerPoint may display warnings about features that will be changed or removed. Read these carefully. If everything looks acceptable, confirm to continue. If not, cancel and revisit the flagged slides to tweak them before trying again. Finally, test the result. Open the .ppt in an older version of PowerPoint if you have access to one. If you don't, open the .ppt in your current version and look for Compatibility Mode in the title bar. Carefully review formatting, layouts, and animations to make sure they appear and behave as expected. If you spot issues, return to the .pptx, adjust, and resave until the legacy file looks solid. This way, your audience gets a clean, dependable presentation no matter what version they're using.